Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to design a logo for my client. So they have a laundry business. So we have to design a logo for them. So purpose of this video, I wanna share some important stuff with you guys. So stay tuned. We are going to design a logo. So first step is to ask client about they are inspired some logo or some color scheme. We will when we ask them, so they will give some options or the inspired color options. So we have very easy to start a logo with these ideas. So we have something to play with it. So I asked them, so they share some ideas with me. So they ask about the green and blue, royal blue color. Company name is the Fresh Press, so that's why they wanna use green color and blue. So we have something, so let's play. And first we choose some font options for them. First we choose some font options for them. So maybe the 3 options will be enough for the client. So we choose C fonts, different fonts, and some colors and color schemes, so they can choose between them. We can give them some options so they can choose from them. So we give them 3 options: font options, 3 logo options, 3 different with color schemes. We use some icons in a scale shapes. So the green color is referenced by the fresh word. So and blue for the luxury, and gold. Also we design 3 options and some more options so they can understand how the look the font in other small spaces and stationaries, micro spaces. So we give them some combinations with the black and white and gray, white on a gray and black on a gray, white on a black on a white. So we have to give them some mockups so they can decide easily how they look the logo when it goes on some signage and anything. So you can choose anything. I choose the signboard, so they can choose easily how they look, the colors and fonts on the signage. So when you prepare the presentation, so give them for 3 options. So you have to keep in mind some storyline for the logo whenever you design for any logo for any company. So you have to some storyline for the logo, why you choose these colors, why you choose these fonts. So icons, how these fonts, colors, icons represent their company. So they have to use this font, this icon, your logo for entire brand. So everything when you done the logo presentation. So let's wait what they said about the options and font. So then we design other things, stationaries and signage, whatever they ask. So thanks for watching my video. If you have any question about the logo and design ideas and storylines, so you can comment below. So we will talk in comments. So stay tuned, watch full video. So thanks for watching. See you in a next video.